In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update site password on Squarespace. If you're temporarily hiding a site during a redesign, sharing a work in progress with a client, or simply controlling who can view your content, the site password is a quick and effective gate. Just a heads up, this is different from your Squarespace account login. The site password only affects what visitors see, not your ability to sign in and edit. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the small gear icon. This gear opens your site's settings, which is where Squarespace keeps important controls that affect visibility, privacy, and access. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're in the correct one before you click, so you don't accidentally change a password on the wrong project. Inside Settings, select Site Availability. This panel is all about who can view your site. It's where you control whether your site is public, private, or protected. Changing the password here won't publish or unpublish anything on its own. It simply updates the gate visitors must pass through to see your content when a password is in use. Now, find the password field in this panel and change it. Type the new password you want visitors to use. Keep in mind, this is not your personal account password. Choose something strong, memorable to you, and appropriate to share with your audience or team. Avoid common phrases or anything that's easy to guess. Passwords are case sensitive, and special characters are allowed, which can help strengthen security. If you're replacing an old password, this new one will immediately become the only valid password once you save. When you're happy with the new password, click Save. That's the action that applies your change across the site. After saving, visitors who reach your site will see the standard Squarespace password prompt and will need to enter the new password to get in. If someone still sees the old prompt or doesn't get asked for the new password right away, it's usually due to browser caching. A quick refresh or trying again after a moment typically resolves it. That's all you need to do. To recap, click the gear icon at the bottom left, select Site Availability, update the password field, and click Save. Share the new password securely with anyone who needs access, and consider storing it in a password manager so you can update it confidently again in the future.